Hey everyone, welcome to TechWise Tutorials. Today, I'm super excited to share with you the top 5 must-have free AI tools for beginners. These tools are perfect if you're just starting out and want to dive into the world of artificial intelligence. So let's get right into it. First up we have Google Colab. If you're not familiar, Google Colab is an incredible free platform that allows you to write and execute Python code in your browser. It's like having a powerful supercomputer right at your fingertips. Plus, it's perfect for experimenting with AI models without the need for any expensive hardware. Next on the list is TensorFlow Playground. This tool is a fantastic way to visualize and understand how neural networks work. You can tweak parameters, see real-time changes, and gain a deeper understanding of AI concepts. It's an excellent resource for beginners wanting to grasp the basics of neural networks. Third, let's talk about IBM Watson Studio. Watson Studio offers a suite of tools and services for AI model development. The best part? It's free to get started. You can work on data exploration, model training, and even deployment, all within the same platform. It's a robust tool for anyone serious about learning AI. Fourth on our list is Weka. Weka is a powerful collection of machine learning algorithms for data mining tasks. It's super user-friendly and great for experimenting with different AI techniques. Whether you're working on clustering, classification, or regression, Weka has got you covered. Finally, we have Microsoft Azure Machine Learning Studio. This is an amazing drag-and-drop tool for building, testing, and deploying machine learning models. It's perfect for beginners because it simplifies the entire process, making AI more accessible to everyone. So there you have it, the top 5 free AI tools you should be using. Each of these tools offers unique features that can help you learn and grow in the field of artificial intelligence. Give them a try, and let me know which one you find the most useful. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to TechWise Tutorials, and ring the bell for notifications on our latest content. Thanks for watching, and happy learning.